Nissan is bringing a pickup truck with a $22,000 sticker price, and unlike every other affordable option out there, this one is a genuine body-on-frame work truck, not a crossover in disguise. If you're tired of watching truck prices climb past $40,000, $50,000, or even $60,000, while the only budget-friendly alternatives ask you to give up towing capacity, payload, and real durability, this truck was built specifically to solve that problem. Most affordable pickups top out at around 4,000 to 5,000 pounds of towing. This $22,000 Nissan pulls up to 6,600, matching mid-sized trucks that cost nearly twice as much. Affordable, but not so compact. Before anything else, one thing needs to be made clear. This is not a compact crossover pickup. It won't be competing against the Maverick or the Santa Cruz, and it's not trying to be either of them. The truck in question is the NP300, a nameplate already well known in Mexico and across Central and South America, and one that's now heading north. Size-wise, this truck is going to surprise quite a few people. The NP300 sits just slightly below the Frontier in terms of overall dimensions, which means we're talking about a proper full-size feeling truck, not some maneuverable little runabout. With a wheelbase stretching over 124 inches, those proportions alone signal that this pickup was built for serious use, not weekend errands or light-duty grocery runs. It's big where it counts, practical by design, and that balance is going to matter a great deal in the American market. But size alone means nothing without the right foundation underneath, and what's underneath the NP300 is where this truck really starts to separate itself from the competition. Genuine pickup truck. Here's where things get really interesting. The NP300 shares a platform with the Navara, Nissan's globally respected pickup sold across Europe, Australia, and dozens of other markets. That platform, coded D23, is a traditional body-on-frame architecture, the same foundation found underneath trucks that cost significantly more. Think about what most affordable pickups are actually asking buyers to give up. The Maverick and Santa Cruz are fine vehicles, but the moment a contractor tries to pull a loaded trailer up a grade or a farmer needs to haul a full payload across a field, those unibody platforms hit their ceiling fast. That's exactly the problem the NP300 is built to solve. A body-on-frame structure brings real structural strength, legitimate towing ratings, and the kind of durability that crossover-based platforms simply cannot replicate. Towing capacity is going to reach up to 6,600 pounds, putting this truck directly alongside the Toyota Tacoma and Nissan's own Frontier, two pickups that command considerably higher prices. Payload figures are particularly impressive, climbing to up to 2,700 pounds, leaving mid-sized trucks well behind. The rear suspension underlines the same philosophy. Instead of a complex and expensive independent setup, the NP300 is going to feature a solid axle with leaf springs out back. A proven arrangement engineered for load-carrying consistency and long-term durability. It's the kind of setup that work truck buyers have been quietly asking for, in a market that keeps moving further away from it. And speaking of moving away from what the market typically offers, the NP300's cab and bed configurations are about to challenge just about every assumption buyers have about affordable trucks. Different cab and bed configurations. One of the most compelling things about the NP300 is what it offers that most rivals simply don't. The compact and mid-sized truck segment has become almost entirely crew cab territory. Short beds, four-door layouts, and passenger-focused configurations, that's the reality today. The NP300 is going in a completely different direction, and that's exactly the point. Any contractor who's tried to load 16-foot lumber into a 5-foot bed knows the frustration. Any small business owner who's had to make 2 trips because the bed simply wasn't long enough knows the cost of that problem. In time, in fuel, and in lost productivity. That's the gap the NP300 is going to fill. A regular cab configuration will be part of the lineup, shifting priority entirely to the cargo bed. And the result is a bed length of 7.7 feet. That's way longer than anything in the mid-size pickup segment, and it's comparable to what you'd typically find on a single-cab full-size truck. Now, all of that capability on the outside raises a fair question about what's happening on the inside, and the answer is more encouraging than most people would expect from a truck at this price. Interior design, cheap but solid. The cabin of the NP300 is not going to win any interior design awards, and Nissan is not trying to make it do so. This cabin is built around function, not appearance. Hard-wearing plastics, a clean and straightforward layout, and controls that prioritize ease of use. That's the direction this truck is heading, and it's the right direction for the buyer it's targeting. What it will deliver, however, matters a great deal more than any luxury pretension. The materials are going to be basic by modern standards, but they'll also hold up to job site conditions, dirty hands, and years of hard daily use without showing the kind of wear that softer, more premium surfaces would. Air conditioning will be manually controlled. The audio system will be simple and functional. 6 airbags and vehicle dynamic control are expected as standard equipment, with the US market version likely adding a few additional features to meet domestic safety regulations. That same no-nonsense thinking carries straight through to what's powering this truck. And the powertrain story is one that reliability-minded buyers are going to appreciate more than most. Powertrain. Under the hood, the NP300 is sticking to the same philosophy that shapes everything else about the truck. Proven technology is going to take priority over cutting-edge complexity. The core of the powertrain lineup is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4, an engine Nissan has been refining and relying on for many years. Output figures sit at 166 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, which won't impress performance enthusiasts, but that's not the audience this truck is speaking to. Anyone who's dealt with a turbocharged engine throwing fault codes on a remote job site or spent thousands on a complex hybrid system that needed specialist attention understands exactly why simplicity has value. This engine is designed to start reliably every morning, require minimal maintenance, and keep running long after more sophisticated alternatives have needed expensive attention. But there's more. Reports are pointing toward a diesel version, and for this particular truck, that option could be the one that really defines its place in the segment. The turbo diesel is expected to produce 161 horsepower and a very strong 300 pound-feet of torque, with that torque arriving low in the rev range, exactly where it's most useful for towing, hauling, and off-road situations. Fuel economy projections are equally notable, with figures of approximately 30 miles per gallon city and 37 on the highway. Those numbers would make this the most efficient body-on-frame pickup on the American market, and it wouldn't be a close call. A limited slip rear differential and hill start assist are expected across the lineup, giving the NP300 confident footing on challenging terrain without adding mechanical complexity or cost. A truck this capable, with powertrains this straightforward, naturally raises one final question. What is it actually going to cost, and when can buyers get their hands on one? Pricing and release date. Here's the part that pulls everything together. Nissan is targeting a starting price of just $22,000 for the US market, a figure that would immediately make this the most affordable pickup truck available in North America by a meaningful margin. For a body-on-frame truck with this level of capability, that price is genuinely unprecedented. Reaching that number, however, hinges on one critical step. Nissan is planning to establish production within the United States, and that's the factor that determines when American buyers will actually see this truck at dealerships. With tariffs making imports considerably more expensive, domestic manufacturing is the only realistic path to hitting that $22,000 target and making it stick. The process takes time, and most estimates point to a 2 to 3 year window before the NP300 is ready for the American market. Once it arrives, the conversation around affordable trucks is going to shift. A capable body-on-frame pickup at $22,000 rewrites the rules of what this segment can offer. Fleet managers who've been working through the numbers, contractors who've been choosing between capability and cost, and everyday truck buyers who've been priced out of the segment entirely. The NP300 is going to have a lot to say to all of them. The NP300 is shaping up to be everything the affordable truck segment has been missing. A body-on-frame platform shared with the globally respected Navara, towing capacity that matches mid-sized trucks costing twice as much, a 7.7-foot cargo bed that nothing in this price range can touch at a starting price of just $22,000. The cabin won't turn heads and the powertrain won't win any drag races, but for contractors, fleet operators, farmers, and anyone who needs a dependable work truck without a punishing price tag, those are the wrong things to be measuring. Production still needs to be established on US soil, and the wait is likely 2 to 3 years. But when the NP300 finally arrives, the affordable truck conversation is going to look very different from what it does today. But Nissan isn't the only Japanese automaker that's bringing an affordable work truck. If you're up for something even cheaper but with genuine body-on-frame construction, you definitely want to check out our video about the Toyota Hilux Champ. Small but capable, with endless customization options, this truck is about to bring a revolution to the US market.